Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to claim Robux and please donate. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, so let's get started. Make sure you actually receive some donations because there's going to be no Robux available. We need to head to our Roblox homepage, go to the top right of Roblox and tap on your Roblox balance. Tap on your balance here in the top right. Here's the transaction page. So when you get the donation and please donate, it's going to move into your pending Robux, where in case any issues come up with the transaction, then Roblox can moderate it. You're gonna have to wait at least 5 days or more for you to get the Robux. So after that time frame, it's then automatically be moved into a total balance, and this means you can start spending it. But it's important to note that Roblox actually take 30% of anything you sell on Roblox. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!